Okay, so we're measuring 5 milliliters of acid per test, and we're measuring from meniscus. There we go, stop there. And so we're looking at it from the side to avoid parallax, and we're looking from the bottom of the meniscus for accuracy. So we've created a water bath here with hot water from the kettle and the test tube with the 5 milliliters of acid in it, submerged in it, and the temperature is currently sitting at 73 degrees in this one. Pretty similar in this one, so looks pretty good.
So we're a bit confused. How many pieces?
So we've got our magnesium. We're going to try and cut it into at least 12 pieces. It looks like it's just over 5 centimeters long, so we'll need to like 3 millimeters per piece. We're just going to use scissors to do that. And if you cut them in just 3 millimeters, is actually quite short. It's only like there to there. Yep.
Oh no, I think
you could even make little pencil marks on it if you want.
No.
It's quite hard.
Do we need a thermometer?
Into 4 even sections.
We need a thermometer.
Yeah,
Let me try to see.
Oh, so like half?
So take half of 56.
Well, that'll give you a judgment anyway.
Okay, now it's 40. No, I didn't do that before.
Try and just judge a few, see if you can make some about the same size as that.
Same numbers, it doesn't mean anything. Cut from 28.
Yeah. Wait, no, that's not.
Kind of hold it like
They're looking pretty good. Where did it go?
Logan, we're kind of confused on sort of how much to do and how much not to do.
What do you mean?
How many do we need?
Wasn't it just on the board? Wasn't it just on the board, the instruction?
Yeah, but well, kind of, but you've actually just written them down. You are changing the temperature. You are measuring how long the reaction takes to run. You are doing 4 different temperatures, which is what's on the board there now. 4 different temperatures, 3 tests at each temperature, so 12 tests in total.
Okay, so we need one of those thermal things.
Yep. Okay, tricky, eh? So we've got a bit of variation among those. We're just going to have to put up with that, I think. So that'll be part of our 3 tests. Will be that some of them will be worse because some of these are smaller. If we take out the 3, which one do we reckon is? How many have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
How many?
We've got 20. We only need 12. So let's select the 12 ones that are the closest in size. So we take out the smallest. Those are probably the small ones. Take those out. And then we've got a set like this. And we take out maybe the largest ones. Where are we at? We've got 12 now. $10, 11, 12. I think that's right. We've got 12 here. Alright, cool. So what we've done is we've cut them and then we've selected by eye the ones that we think are the most consistently sized. There's still a little variation, but looks pretty good. Now we've got our thermometers. This one is sitting at 63 degrees. This one, the same. So we can now drop them in and we've got a 63 degree test. So drop, we needed our timer. Got a phone to do it, run as a stopwatch.
Oh my god.
Okay, I've got a stopwatch as well. So I'm going to time my one. Alright. So we've got the reaction happening in here. and I've got my timer running, and as soon as it stops bubbling, I'm going to stop my stopwatch. You started your stopwatch yet? Cool. So you're going to have to watch really carefully for when it stops bubbling.
Oh, right. Idiot guy. Now we put this in? Yeah, and then we need to add that first. How much acid was that?
Let's have a look what's happening. Oh, my metal's getting small.
Oh, we've got to try it.
Stop. On my one anyway. You got 42 seconds?
Cutting to exact.
Okay, so we've got 2. Now, what should we do? Should we add? We're going to have to remove. So we're going to remove our acid, tip it out, and then return the test tube to the beaker. And then we are going to. We should probably rinse it actually, because it's going to have extra acid in it. I guess if we were real clever, we'd dry them, but we don't have time to dry them, so we won't. We'll return them to the beaker and set up the next lot of acid in it and see where we go. For this next test, I might try and get a third. Oh no, it's rubber. Let's just do it too. Okay. Measure some more acid. So now we measure out our acid again. We'll set it up in the beaker. We'll see what the temperature is. We'll top the beaker up with some cold water to get a slightly lower temperature. And we'll do a full set this way. So this is our 3 reactions going at once at 50 degrees.